No, they're real good.
They'll hold Pence at third. And hey, the San Francisco Giants will bring the tying man to the plate. Off the field, a base hit from Brandon Belt. And they're trying to get an extra day off of Buster Posey. He's on the bench. And maybe they will instate him later if the inning continues to unfold. Posey is now in the on-deck circle. Three-time All-Star. Boy, looking at a replay, I'm not convinced that ball didn't brush the jersey of Andrew Fitzpatrick. No call was made. And we play on. 4-1 next in the last of the ninth inning in San Francisco. 5 sets for Familia. Now the lock in the pitch. Swinging a hot shot, headed up left with a backhand stop. And fired on Kajuga to end it here with a winning road trip to the New York Mets. A 4-1 final. And the guy who is an all-star wins it. A guy who might be safe. Photos and highlights when we come back. This is Mets Baseball on WOR, Mets Radio Network.
It takes a little while, you know.
Familia closed it out at the end. Jared Familia is standing by with our Wayne Randazzo. Josh, thank you very much. Hashtag.
Holiday took it all of that. I tell people to at least allow one full day to go through the museum. You know, there's 4,000 plus artifacts on exhibit, 60,000 square foot of space. So you really.
Wines.com right now and get 24-hour customer service, free samples.